Good morning, everyone. Wow, there's a lot of people here.
I think it really demonstrates just how strong this community is.
I think we are living in a second renaissance.
In the age of the algorithm, we need a new definition of what it means to be human.
As an astronaut, I'm sort of right out on the very edge of human experience. The perspective I've had orbiting the world was hopefully one that was useful to everybody attending the conference here today.
It's not just about technology, it's about the future of how people are going to live and work.
My first impression was, wow, what an enormous space.
You've got lots of different areas and specialisms in one place.
It's a really good starting point to really understand what's out there.
So it's not just to share our story, but also to learn from people.
One of BP's challenges right now is how do we manage this increased desire for energy, but also to reduce carbon footprint.
One of the things I'm talking about is a company which actually pretended it had been hacked. The irony was, they then did get hacked for real a couple of years later.
The tech sector is very non-diverse. But my aim was sort of, rather than just getting outraged about this, was to say, what can I do to make a practical difference?
AI is all around us. The biggest thing really is how to engage with your employees when at the same time it could be something that makes them lose their jobs.
Come to an event like this, you get to remember that your work touches other people and other people's work touches yours, and it's not just your little narrow world. I think that's great.
In any of the ancient societies, there was always a central meeting place. This building that we're in is a modern-day agora. It's a crossroads of a chance for people to exchange ideas, and I think it's a necessary part of societal advancement, just like the Romans and the Greeks were doing thousands of years ago.